Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and this is another episode of That's Eating the Sea with Bishop KB.
Hold up.
Welcome back, welcome back. Hey y'all, let me take my glasses off so we can dig in. Let's see. I actually have a little bit more time today. I have 30 minutes before my next meeting. So, yeah. I had some snow crabs in the freezer already. I know I keep a bunch of seafood. And I've been delaying eating these because I've been real bougie acting about them. Like, they're kind of small because I got them from like the regular grocery store and not from the seafood place that I normally order from online. So I've been like, but they were on like a super sale, so I still got them. So, anywho, there's one decent sized one. The rest of them are small, but they need to be eaten. So here we are. I normally do my Smackalicious sauce, and I didn't feel like making it. And then when I make it, I like it to sit a couple days, and I wanted to eat this now. So I just made me up some butter sauce. This got my good extra creamy butter in there. I put some garlic, a little bit of ginger, lemon, of course, Old Bay, a little chicken broth, a couple of things I threw in there. Of course, I got my eggs, and I got my crunch. All right, said my grace off camera, but Father, thank you for it again. I bless you. Amen. So this is going to be a first. Just pickle and butter sauce. What's this about? Let's see, shall we? What doesn't butter make taste better? Huh? Is there something that a little butter can't fix? Huh? I'm gonna get started. I gotta go back there one more time. And although I just made this up, this ain't no real recipe. I was just throwing stuff in the pan. But I did this. That meeting gonna start for 30 minutes. Why you at me? I know I got 30 minutes. I know I do. Ooh, y'all. Y'all see my pretty little bowl I done picked up? It's like slanted and, you know, presentation bowl. Now, since it's all slanted and cut off, you can't fit much of nothing in there, but it's cute for what it's worth. Ooh. I steam these in my cooking machine. My Ninja cooking machine. Woo! Oh, y'all know I gotta have my kick, my hot stuff. So I poured some 2 times spicy sauce in here. So that's where I'm getting my heat from. Woo! And it's hot. Oh. All right, so I've been meaning to ask y'all how y'all are adjusting to life now. Like, you know, stuff is back open. I live in Georgia where things have been open for a while, but is it just me or does it seem like people are getting like really, really relaxed about this COVID stuff? Like, it seems to me like anywhere where the masks are not required, people just don't have them on no more. All right. Is COVID over? Ain't nobody told me. Like, what's going on? Well, I got my little shell bowl over here. I'm still keeping it in here. Is COVID over? Ain't nobody told me. Right. Then I heard somebody say, well, I think I had it. So, I think I had it and was just asymptomatic, so I'm not afraid that I'm going to get it. Well, it's not totally true, because you can get it again. But when people forget it's not one-sided, that you can be asymptomatic, and then mess around and be around somebody, and they get it from you, and they die, or be in a hot pillar. But I guess the root of my question is, how are y'all adjusting? Like, I've been in this house. I ain't been going nowhere. I have been to a restaurant. I sat outside on the patio. But I have to figure out still, like, what my comfort level is going to be with resuming life. You know, being around people and enjoying my friends and family again safely. Like, you gotta figure out what that balance is going to be. And I haven't quite figured that out yet. You know? I want to be around people who are like-minded with me, where I know that they're being safe. Even when they're not in my presence. You know what I mean? Look. Y'all see it. I think I drip some of that on the floor. I'm coming, eggs. I'm coming. Y'all. It's like, it's got the right amount of spice. I got the extra creamy butter. That extra creamy butter is what makes your seafood butter sauce. I use it in my Beloved Smackalicious sauce. The extra creamy. Now, it's spicy. I'll tell you no lie. It's spicy. Those 4 sticks, dang on near $6. So it's a treat. I don't use it for nothing but my seafood. But look how it just coats this meat. Delectable. so delectable. Mm, 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 mm. Y'all, I could drink this. Oh, you see all that fresh garlic? You know it's gonna be out to stare at it. I'm mad. Tasting that good. Look at me, I was being all bougie about these snow crab legs being all small. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Got my boss. Even on lunch break, you gotta be like, wait, huh? All right. Listen. Until the Lord call me off that secular job, I got to honor it. I got to honor that thing. Thank him for it. Be a good steward over it. Oh, sorry, y'all. It's hot. Look at this little bitty claw. Now you eat you too. Ought to be ashamed. You wasn't even full grown yet. I'm trying to add a little speed to this thing. 15 minutes in. The dog is snoring, so that's Chance. You messing up my video, bro. He don't care either. He ain't even lift his head up. Gone. He's so asleep. I would have to go over there and shake him. Chance. I mean, I'm the one working. Why are you tired? We ain't even been on a walk today. $13. I guess he say, I have lived long enough to earn the right to snore. Ooh, this is good, y'all. I am going to the curb market. On the Mara. Gonna pick up some turkey wings. One of my lovely seers have requested that I do some turkey wings or some black eyed peas and something else she said. I got you. Now, I'm not a big black eyed pea fan. I eat them. I make them. But my bean of choice is going to be like butter peas or limas. Are going to be my favorite. But I can roll with the black eyed peas. I can roll with that. I can roll with that. They still gonna be good. So I have not been on any type of vacation. I ain't been nowhere. I am missing the water, missing the sand, the beach, and now the weather is changing. Now I feel some type of way. So I'm going. I booked a flight. That's my 15-minute reminder. I booked a flight. Now he working my nerves now. Chance! He trying my patience. Ain't that much sleep in the whole world. Yeah, I booked a flight. That's gonna be my first one since this COVID stuff, but I walk and live in the safety of the Lord. And I'm not about to live in fear. I'm gonna take every precaution. I got me one of them face shields. I'm gonna wear my mask and my shield. I fly Delta. I fly Delta, and they're still doing social distancing on the planes, so they don't fill the middle seats. I'm just going. I'm just gonna do this thing. You hear me? I just gotta do it. And I'm proud of me. If you understand how much I've been in this house, I mean, it's a serious matter. It really has been a serious matter. Ooh. Y'all, I'm slowing down. And I got to go. Now the little leg want to play hard to get. Don't do that. Don't do that. We've been doing all right the whole time. All right. Thank you. Here. Get back on there. That was a really good idea. I think it's because I haven't done just like a butter sauce. I've been doing a Smackalicious sauce. So much. I see you, Coldest. I'm coming. I ain't had a sip of nothing yet. Been too busy taking care of business. Ooh. Just sop it up. Sop it. Now, come on. TheColdestWater.com. Yes, Lord. Woo! That was good to me. Ugh. Y'all know. If you ain't got you a cup yet, get you one. Just type Kemel, Kemel, in the promo box. Get you over 10% off. This is so good. What time is it? We almost there. Almost got time. Got a little bit more time. Listen. Ain't nothing healthy about this sauce. I mean, ain't nothing healthy about it. Butter's so good. Butter's so good. But that's mostly butter. Yeah, so, anywho, I'm going to let y'all, I ain't going to say I'm going to do a mukbang. Trying to low battery me. I'm almost done. Rude. I ain't going to do a mukbang on vacation, but I will, take some pictures of my food that I'm eating and, you know, share that with y'all when I come back. All right, it's going to be my last one because I got to wash my hands and get ready for this call. Ooh, came out so good. That's the other thing, too. Using my Ninja thing, steamer. It keeps them so moist and they crack and come out the shell so nice. You gotta worry about drying nothing out. That Ninja was one of the best investments I have made this year. All right, might as well just take care of this before we say goodbye. Well, a little bit old small cluster and claw. I'll eat that as a little snack later. Woo! That was good! Bless me with this wonderful lunch. Ah, Lord. Thank you. Woo! Hiya. Glory be. In everything give thanks. This was the will of God concerning me today. And I give you thanks. Woo! This your first time Babashi. If this is your Babashikuba. If this is your first time watching. Listen, that thing almost got me for real. I get stirred up. It don't take me much. All I got to do is think of them. Yeah, shit, bye cool bye. Ah! I'm sorry. This is your first time, if this is your first time watching, learn to give God praise. Woo! In everything, in everything, in everything. That's for somebody and me, in everything. There's a reason to say thank you. Thank you. This is your first time watching. Please, if you like it, like the channel. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with everybody you know. Thank y'all so much for watching and being here. I am Bishop KB, and this is That's Eating to See with Bishop KB. Until next time, peace. I'm out.